Yeah, my name is Joel, and I'm a general manager and partner of Detail Union. And we're here in Monrovia, California, about 15 minutes east of Los Angeles. We've been in business since 2016, so it's been about 5 years now, and we just acquired our new location here about a year and a half ago. We specialize in paint protection film, vinyl wrap, ceramic coating, but we do a little bit of everything. You want to, customize your interior, paint your calipers, whatever you need to have to customize your car, we can get it done for you. Inozetek's been nothing but amazing. We've been desperately looking for a film that doesn't have that insane orange peel texture to it. And Inozetek has been absolutely phenomenal as far as the fit and finish on the vehicle. It's amazing. The results speak for themselves. So yeah, we had our interior designed by Spadeworks, kind of a collaboration here for our lobby. Very, very happy with our build out here. We have a couple of specific unique features to our shop. We have a designated clean room environment that you can see behind us where we specifically do paint protection film, window tint, away from all the dirty car washing and polishing. That's all done on the other side of the shop. Like I said, the product speaks for itself. So as soon as I show that product on a vehicle, the customer is instantly sold. Some of these other vinyl wrap films that we've worked with previously, it's very cool to change the finish of the car, but it doesn't look OEM. It doesn't look like paint. You can tell that it's vinyl wrap. It's very obvious. It's very apparent. But with the Inozetek, it is next level as far as the wrap fit and finish. The surface tension is so smooth on there because it doesn't have so much orange peel. So it's almost kind of like a pre-coated film in essence that it's so smooth. And since it is so smooth, we get that insane gloss effect. Inozetek's been doing a great job of launching new colors. I really like the color palette on there, but the consumer always wants more, right? We want more choices, we want more options. Just to cover the entire color palette. There's a few unique colors out there that I know you guys are probably working on, and I can't wait to see you guys release them.